about the traineeship through Michelle and Simone, the owners of Kids on Clyde and Kids on Aspen. I was actually working at Kids on Clyde doing after school work as a cleaner, and that's when Michelle and Simone approached me on the job and asked if I wanted to do my Cert 3, to which I immediately said yes. A typical day would be interacting with the families upon arrival and preparing bottles and cots, and then throughout the day meeting their needs such as nappy routines, sleep routines and meal times, while also allowing time for play and interacting with the children in creating special bonds and connections. The benefit of a traineeship is while I'm working on site, I'm also earning a wage, being able to interact with families and the children while also learning the skills that I need for early childhood education. Balancing study and job placement for me has been a very smooth and easy process, as the study and job placement go hand in hand and I'm able to work hands-on. Being able to absorb the information has been really easy when completing coursework and assignments. I really wanted to be a part of the early childhood education sector because of the bonds that educators create with the children, and being able to be a part of their growing and developing stage was something that I really wanted to be a part of. I love being a trainee because every day I am learning something new, from the children to my educators and through Chisholm.